Do you like your new stroller? Do you like it? Are you gonna live in there now? Are you gonna live in there now?
I'm Chelsea, and I'm a dog mom, an artist, a major bookworm, a writer and blogger. I also happen to have a visual impairment, and these vlogs are a look into my life. So welcome to VIBlindResources, and I hope you plan to stay a while.
So, good afternoon, everyone. You're currently looking at my closet, and little Miss Audrey is in my closet curled up on my basket of Halloween costumes. Oh, Miss Audrey Podry. She's my gray kitty cat, and she's just hiding in here from the other cats. But guess who's in here? It is Miss Hazel Basil. She's chewing on a bone. She's my black, white, and gray husky puppy. Oh, you my husky puppy. Yeah. And, well, I didn't know Audrey was in here.
One face,
Audrey
small face,
Podry.
face near left edge.
It recognizes the cat's face, apparently. So, anyway, I didn't realize Audrey was
One
in
face.
here until Hazel, kind of, like, was trying to play with her.
One face,
And Hazel
large face,
growled.
face
I
near
mean,
left edge.
Audrey growled at her. Audrey growls weird. It's scary, but they're okay. Hazel's got her bone. They're not gonna hurt each other. Hey,
One face,
Audrey's
small
just,
face, face near left edge.
Audrey's just kind of scared of cat. I mean, of everything. You know. Oh, Audrey Podry. Can I pet you? Good job, Audrey. Yep, she let me pet her.
One
She's
face,
a good
large
girl.
face near top left edge.
Hazel Basil. Just letting me pet her while she's on the ground. Ooh. Hey, be nice to each other. Ginger, let's see, I'm moody. And then Ginger and Lucy are over on the other side of the room in their cage because they don't want to go outside yet, huh? Oh, you lazy puppers. You lazy pupper girls. See you, we're lazy. We're lazy. If you guys want to see like a little clean room tour, you should check out my live video on Facebook, which I sadly did not get to save to my camera roll, so I'll link it down below for you to check it out.
Good afternoon, or actually, it's evening. Good evening. The next day, camera on me for the first time in this vlog. Hazel, down. She is. What did you steal? She stole something off my desk. I hope I showed her on camera. If not, but camera back on me. Anyway, I wanted to show you my outfit for the day, and I can't show you at the mirror because I'm using my iPad, so you won't be able to see it very well. And I have my microphone clipped to my shirt now, so hopefully you can hear me better than the last clip, because I just wanted to show you the two babies real quick. So today I have some new glasses on. They're like brown at the top, and then they're purple at the bottom. And they're like glasses that are supposed to help me like looking at the computer all the time. So they have like this blue tint in them. You don't really notice it when you're using them or anything like that, but I'll do a review on them after I've used them for a few days. Okay, so now onto my outfit. I have this black flannel on that has various different color on it, like black, purple, pink, green, I believe, things like that. And then I have a nice soft orange jacket on, and some like red leggings on. And my hair is in this really cool braid that Amber did for me. If I remember, I will take a picture of the back of it so you guys can see it better. So yeah. I haven't really been doing much today. I have just been... Hold on, let me see what Hazel's chewing on. Excuse-moi, girl. No, no, no. What do you got? What is that? Oh. Is that a toy? Yeah, okay. Alright, she has a toy, so we're good. Anyway, yeah. I mainly just wanted to show you my new outfit. That's the whole reason why I vlogged right now, because I don't really feel good. And so I will just pick the vlog up later. Okay. Look who's inside now. It's Miss Lucy Lou. Hi, Lulu. Did you steal Hazel's llama? Do you have Hazel's llama? Are you on the bed, huh, baby girl? Lucy's my black tan, and long-haired Shorty. Then Ginger is my black and tan Chihuahua. Do you got a bone? No, she doesn't seem to have anything. They're both just chilling on my bed by themselves for a little bit. Oh, poor birds, huh? They've sort of met Hazel, but not really. I mean, they could probably all, I don't know, they're not up to the point where they can just hang out together yet, so. And Hazel's outside with my dad for a little bit, just hanging out there with my brother and his friends, getting socialized. Lucy, do you like the llama, huh, baby girl? Do you like the llama? They just all share toys. Huh, Ginger's not too much into toys. She's just old. Huh, girly. Can I pet you? Hi, Lucy. Lucy, look to my hand. Ginger, can I pet you? Yeah? Oh, you rolling over? Yes. Okay, Lucy, stop licking me.
I have to show you guys this before Ginger jumps out. But this is Ginger and Lucy's new stroller. It's purple. Oh, baby. Ginger's in it right now. So, sorry if the, volume isn't very good on this. Hi, Lucy. And Lucy's on the chair because I have to push that so she can get out. Because I don't know if Ginger can jump out onto the ground. Huh, girly? Do you like your new stroller? Do you like it? Are you gonna live in there now? Are you gonna live in there now? Lucy, what? She keeps putting her paws on my leg. What? I'm going there? Go! Hop over. Lucy, show the people, show them the stroller that you like it. Show. Alright, now she's in there. Ginger's just grumpy. Oh, you left there. Sit. There you go. Do you like it? Oh, she jumped out. Lucy, enough with the barking. Enough with the Be quiet. Be quiet. Where do you want to go? Okay, anyway. Just want to show you that Ginger loves this. Huh, baby.
We're at Walmart, and you're currently looking at my sister, and she has like one of those styrofoam head things in her in her hoodie, making it look like it's her face, and you look like a Dementor from Harry Potter. Okay, like that's what you remind me of, which is really creepy. You remind me of a Dementor from Harry Potter, like guard the prison and stuff. I'm telling you what they are. They're creepy things that suck souls out of bodies. I think I recorded with you. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm sitting in a shopping cart because I don't feel good. And I'm wearing this orange sweatshirt that I practically am living in because it's so soft. And yeah. Look, we got all these cute stuffed animals in here. I don't think we're buying the pink unicorn, but it's in here. A dog that looks like Hazel.
You might need to talk a little louder, Joseph.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't have the microphone with me, so sorry if the audio's weird, because I can't talk very loud. This is a I don't know. Raccoon? Is this the raccoon, Amber?
No.
What is it? Soft. It's like a little ball and it's a little sloth. It's super cute. And then, there are more. What are the other ones?
The same one.
Oh, okay. And then this is the little, it's a, what is this? Bear? Beaver. That's really,
Little tail.
oh,
That's really cute.
he does have a little tail. It's super adorable. And then it's the same as the other one. We have like all different kinds. And then, this is the raccoon, right? Yeah, this is the raccoon.
Yeah.
The raccoon's got a really long tail too. It's super adorable. Yeah. Mom is driving the shopping.
Hi.
Oh, well, sorry, I can't. Camera back on me, but I can't video very well because I'm on Mom's phone. My phone doesn't work right now, so yeah. It is, like 2 weeks later, and I am feeling much better. I no longer have a voice of a smoker, which you probably have heard my voice kind of turning into that in the last clip. And I am, oddly enough, wearing the same flannel as I did at the beginning of this vlog, and except I now have a gray crop top that ties, and oh, you guys can see my belly button ring. It's orange, and it's not exactly a ring, you know. It's just like there's a top jewel, and then there's like a bar that goes between that and the bottom one, and then I have a scar that's above that from getting 80% of my intestines taken out when I was a baby. So you can learn more about my belly button piercing in a different vlog, which I'll link. And then we got some little leggings on. Anyway, camera back on my face, and I'm home, by the way. And I got the microphone on now. I still got a bit of a cough. So yeah. Look at my hair. It's getting long and it's still pink. My hair reaches a little bit past my shoulders. Almost. I don't know if you can see. Almost like mid, well, not forearm, but like bicep. Is that what it's called? Like the top part of your arm. So yeah, my hair is getting long. I'm so happy. I'm gonna try to grow my hair all the way down to my elbows, just because I want to. We'll see what happens. And I might dye my hair again, because why not? So you'll see that in another vlog. And I hope you enjoyed the new intro for my vlogs, because I figured it's a new year, so I might as well make a new intro. And excuse me. It's my second year of vlogging, I believe. Yes. Well, I mean, it was my second year around Christmas time, but like, you know, and yeah, and I've been YouTubing for 2 years. I believe blogging for 1, if I'm right. Could be wrong on those dates. Anyway, Hazel was crying because she's out in the living room with Mom and Dad, and she wants to hang out with me, but I'm spending a little time with Ginger and Lucy by myself. Here's one of my pups. I believe that's Lucy Lou. Let me check. Let's check. I check by petting her. And I can't reach the camera all the way so you can't see my hand. Oh, there you go. You can now because I have it on the charger. Giving her a pet. So Lucy has the longer fur, you know, like I mentioned. She's curled up in low ball on Hazel's pillow on the ground. And then, oops, sorry, I put my hand in front of the camera. Ginger is up on my messy bed. There she is. You can't see her very well because of the cat blanket, but she's there. Oh, girl, you up there, babies. Yeah, okay. Make sure I wasn't just looking at the blanket, but I'm pretty sure she saw that she's over there. Ginger! Ginger! Hey! Yeah, she's moving. I can see her ears. Oh, peppers. Yeah. Camera back on me. Remember to go vote for my Let's Shadow #HomeandPrize2019 video by giving it a like. And sharing it on social media so I can get more likes. To expand more on that, the Home and Prize is a project put on by the Lighthouse for the Blind, and it is prize money awarded to a blind individual, and like you submit a project or a video of your project idea, then you do an application, then you go on to the finals if you get picked, and it goes from there. You can learn more about it by going to the website, which I'll link down below, and you can also follow the Twitter, which I'll also link down below. And my project is to help increase employment opportunities for us who are blind. So please, go give it a share and a like, and let me know your thoughts about it in the comments of that video, please. Thank you. Here is what Miss Hazel Basil got me for Valentine's Day. The little puppy that looks at her, and a bigger one. The little one says Hazel on her tummy, and the big one says, "You are my human." And my mom did that with her iron-on vinyl. So, and then I also have chocolate turtles. Those are super delicious. And with that, I'll catch you next time. And let me know who your Valentine was in the comments. Good night.